My video is about removing fake survey alerts which are related to the website Takemoneysurvey24.top. So if you see these fake survey notifications by Takemoneysurvey24.top, make sure you don't interact with these fake alerts. These are fake surveys and their mission is to actually make you share your personal details through such fake survey alerts. Also, these pop-ups try to make you subscribe to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. So if you have clicked on allow button, you will be facing even more of such annoying advertisements. So you should leave this page and not share your personal details. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, go down to Permissions, then choose Notifications. Now you need to research all these websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this Takemoneysurvey24.top, remove it from the list. This should fix the issue and stop these annoying advertisements from popping up on your screen. Now I would also recommend that you examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.